This problem is for white to make a ko. White seems to have really nice ice space here, but it actually has a lot of weaknesses. So if white tries this, then black can capture this stone, and white won't be able to live. If white plays here, seems like a nice move, but black can play this, and black can kill white very easily, actually. Similarly, if white plays here, black still have this clamping move. If white prevents black from connecting back, black can come in here and destroy white's ice space, and this will be a dead shape because of this cutting point right here, which white eventually will have to play. And once white plays this, this will be a square 4 shape, and white will be all dead. Similarly, if white plays here, then black can Atari twice and kill white this way. So this is not okay for white. Given all the variations we just tried, white must find a way to make a ko and to guard against its weaknesses. And the only way to play this ko is right here. Now, black cannot come in like this. This way, white will be able to live. So black's strongest move is to play this Atari here on the first line. And as we've seen time and again in this playlist about ko, white's best response is to play here on the first line, triggering this ko. So of course, if black wins, black can kill this white group. If white manages to capture back, black can connect here. This is a local ko threat because white is not entirely alive yet. White cannot end the ko like this because now black can still kill white. That is why white must play here. And now the ko will continue, and black's number 8 can be seen as a local ko threat because it allows black 10 to capture back after the 8 and 9 exchange here locally. So eventually, if white wins, white will be able to build this bent 4 shape, which is a living shape here. So that's how white can eventually live, by winning this ko. So overall, this is a pretty interesting pattern. Seems like white has really nice ice space, but actually white cannot make a living shape, and thus playing this ko is white's best hope. Thank you for watching.